Are we ready, ladies and gentlemen, for the main event of the evening? What is going on in the background? Alright, so the file corrupted of me explaining what was going on for this fireworks show. So we're going to be launching the fireworks off the coast. We have a dirt ring, and we're going to have 4 dispensers placed throughout that, and they're all going to be connected to the same redstone clock. So they're launching fireworks like crazy. And yeah, firework time. Let's do this. Okay, let's craft some fireworks now. Now we have the ice. We have, let's start with 32. Okay, 130. So these are all the fireworks stars that we're going to be using for the show. Now we just need to actually craft them into fireworks. My gosh, look how much money this man is making off me. This man is making so much cash off of this fireworks show. It's not even funny. This box right here costs so much diamonds. Not even funny. So let's go ahead and let's put down all of the dispensers. Put the fireworks inside of the dispensers. And then move on from there. Figure out how we're going to actually do this. Did I craft a bunch of extra fireworks? Okay, so let me give you the lowdown. Basically, we had a ton of fireworks. You guys saw we had over a shulker box full of custom fireworks. Well, as it turns out, they weren't custom. These are only the fireworks that we were able to make because I accidentally crafted all of these. And most of them are flight duration 3. Oh, yo. Oh, that's nice. That's nice to look at. Whoa. Whoa, that looks weird.
Oh, what the?
There's curves in Minecraft. What is this? So right now, guys, this is what we have. We have a ring kind of shaped thing. So people are going to be standing here, and then the fireworks are going to be launched from those dispensers out in the water. So maybe they should be standing probably here. And then fireworks are going to be launched in the sky over there. All hooked up. There we go. This is going to be sick.
Come outside, come outside.
What?
Look at this, look at this.
Yo, no way.
I'm ready for some fireworks.
So I don't know if I showed you guys this. This is the American flag, and we have our our seating over here. Okay, I'm gonna go flip the lever. Are we ready, ladies and gentlemen, for the main event of the evening? What is going on in the background? Can we mute him?
Yeah, just mute him.
Yeah, mute him. 3, 2, 1, let the fireworks begin. Okay, your thing isn't working. Okay, your redstone clock isn't working.
I copied it block for block. Gray, your redstone is not working.
What do you mean my redstone is not working?
Oh,
turn it off. Make sure everything is off. We're gonna restart it. Turn it off. Turn it off.
No, your clock still doesn't work.
It's not even my clock. It's K's.
It's not mine. Don't put the blame.
Where are the repeaters? Who has them? Oh! Oh! Everyone go back. Everyone go back. Go back. Go back. Go back.
It's turning day.
No.
Oh,
So it's last time set night. We're back. Oh no.
Okay, we're good.
Okay. Are you guys ready for the main event of the evening?
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
You did it wrong.
What?
Yay.
Yeah.
Of the free.
Okay, are we ready? Okay, national anthem's over. Here we go. Yes! Hey,
Beautiful.
hold on, one of them's broken. Yes, they're all firing! Yes!
Can you
Oh, it's so
constantly make a
beautiful.
night, Connor?
Let's go.
Oh, it's amazing.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. I don't know what you guys are doing.
I don't know if they rendered.
Yeah, they don't render. You gotta stand like right here. You can stand like the first row. Yeah, you can stand on the first row.
No. Yeah, you're right.
Nice, dude. What's going on over there? Oh, I think we're running out. We're running out of fireworks.
That was bad.
Oh, I'm being shot.
Yay!